evening, thousands of military personnel, first responders, and emergency workers are undergoing the ultimate test at the Muscatatuck Urban Training Center.
They're participants in a joint exercise called Vibrant Response. The exercise simulates a terrorist nuclear attack in a U.S. city. 24-Hour News 8's Jay Hermasinski found out what it takes to train for the nation's worst-case scenario.
Under the watchful eyes of a team of search and rescue experts, a group of Marines scours a pile of rubble for survivors. This massive concrete simulates a collapsed building. The Marines wear chemical suits and masks. In this scenario, a nuclear bomb caused the collapse. Also observing the exercise, General Victor Renoir, the four-star Air Force general in charge of NORAD, the North American Aerospace Defense Command. We asked him if the nation was ready to respond to a real nuclear attack.
Is the nation prepared to respond? Yes. Do we need to grow that capability further? Yes. That's what these exercises are designed to do.
The exercise includes dozens of civilians who play the role of injured victims. Once they were found and rescued from the rubble, they went through a decontamination area. That's where Marines tested them for radiation exposure.
Once the victims make it through the decontamination tent, they're moved into triage, where they're treated by medical professionals, and they're either sent home, sent on to the hospital, or sent to the morgue.
It's helping them learn, but I'm taking so much back to my family and my friends around me on what we should do in a situation like this too, because, I mean, as you'll hear sirens playing, it'll tell you what to do in the case of the nuclear blast. While they're learning, we're constantly learning.
The field training exercise lasts 7 days. From the ground to the air, military and civilian crews learn to work together. The team running and evaluating the exercise gives the Urban Training Center high marks.
It's been great. Lots of terrain to work with, very realistic, and the people here locally have really bent over backwards to welcome us and assist us in our real-world training.
Air Force General Victor Renoir called Muscatatuck Urban Training Center second to none, and that's great news for the Indiana National Guard since they operate the facility. It's also welcome news for Jennings County. Muscatatuck serves as an economic engine for the county. As the training center continues to expand, that will in turn bring more revenue to the area. Eric?
All right.